This is an example of using the stochastic funnel algorithm, which is an evolutionary algorithm, to find the best parameter estimates for the MISRA1A model from the NIST. The model is given here, an exponential model. What we've got here is a series of plots. Here's the best 20 correlation plot for beta 1 and beta 2. This is the current 100 because we're going through a number of generations, and each generation there's 100 estimates made of both beta 1 and beta 2. What we've got here is two plots. This is the SSE compared to the estimate of beta 1, and here's the SSE compared to the estimate of beta 2. Alright, let's start. So here what we see is 100 values distributed between 10 to the minus 6 and 10 to the plus 6 for both parameters. Here's the best 20 on a linear plot. This is a log plot here. Alright, let's do 100 generations. What we see with this plot here is that the convergence happens very quickly. Over here we've got the SSE for beta 1 and for beta 2, and what happens as we fall down, these values off to the right tend to be displaced by smaller values on the left. The target 238.94 and 0.00055. Alright, so after 50 generations we see that the search has decreased considerably, but there's obvious correlation between beta 1 and beta 2, the best 20 values. So this curve is embedded in here. Search space is getting smaller and smaller, up to 75 generations. Optimal parameter for beta 1 238.94, and we're certainly zooming in on that, and 0.00055, we're certainly zooming in on that. But there's still correlation between the best 20 of beta 1 and beta 2. Down here we can see that the search space, the current search space, is considerably smaller than the initial search space. SSE values are approaching the minimal SSE. So I've got a good example of stochastic funnel working despite the fact that there's considerable correlation between beta 1 and beta 2 in the region of the best parameter estimates. Here we've got the minimum and maximum values. And looking at the plots, we can see that we're certainly closing in on the optimal parameter values. Alright, stochastic funnel algorithm is an evolutionary algorithm, uses Darwinian search. It's very effective, but one of the features of the search for this particular data set, the MISRA1A data set, is that there's correlation between the parameters, and this means that the search becomes a bit slower. Anyway, that's all.